In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font on Brave browser. Adjusting the font settings in Brave is a great way to personalize your browsing experience and make text easier to read. Whether you prefer a cleaner style, a larger font appearance, or simply want a different look while browsing websites, Brave gives you several font customization options that are simple to access and modify. To get started, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser is fully loaded, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on the menu icon. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various browser settings and customization features. From the menu, select the Settings option to open the main Brave settings page. This section contains all the controls related to your browser's appearance, privacy, content settings, and browsing preferences. After the settings page opens, look toward the left-hand side of the screen where the different categories are listed. Now, click on the section labeled Content. Once you're inside the content settings, look on the right side of the page for the option called Customize Fonts. Select it to open the Font Customization menu within Brave. Inside the Customize Fonts section, you will see different font categories that can be adjusted based on your personal preference. Under the Standard Font option, you can choose from different fonts that are already available on your computer. Simply click on the drop-down menu and browse through the list until you find a font style that you like. As you select different font options, Brave will automatically show a preview so you can immediately see how the text will appear while browsing websites. This makes it easier to compare styles and decide which font looks the most comfortable and readable for your everyday use. You can spend a little time experimenting with the available choices to find the appearance that best matches your preference. Some fonts may look more modern and clean, while others may provide better readability for long browsing sessions. The changes are applied automatically, so you can instantly see the difference without restarting the browser. Customizing fonts can also improve accessibility and make online reading feel more comfortable, especially if you spend a lot of time browsing articles, websites, or online documents throughout the day. And that's all you need to do to change the font on Brave browser. As you can see, the process is quick, simple, and easy to customize based on your own style and viewing preferences. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.